this wig is not going nowhere. Look, no spray, just mousse, gel, and that security in the back. This unit comes to us from Beauty Forever Hair. Keep on too. This is their 7x5 kinky curly 20-inch throw on and go wig. It also comes with the kinky edges. You can just rip that joint off your head in the car and then drive like nobody's watching. This unit comes with the attached elastic band, the adjustable straps in the back, as well as that pull lock drawstring for this wig. Now obviously with the WD2F method, wash, define, diffuse, and fluff, it's gonna be real simple to get this wig together. Okay, because it's summer. Okay, I want easy, and curly wigs for me are easy. Y'all see how good this hair looks without any fluffing? Goodness gracious. No fluffing yet. We still gonna fluff it, so I'm gonna take my pick, go on top of the hair like this, go under the hair. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is so pretty. Under this side. Do y'all see what's happening? I love when a curl comes together, child. Yes, I have told you guys time and time again that I do consider Beauty Forever one of those fast fashion brands. Practice low manipulation to increase the lifespan of these type of wigs. And this wig is affordable, y'all. I want to save my coin and still give the looks. Hello, if you are on a budget and you want a natural textured looking unit, this is what you should be going for. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.